Hello students, this is Gufran Khan for class 8th. I have made this video of geography. Chapter name is Diverse Natural Resources of the World. Part 2. Before starting this chapter, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like it and share it with your friends. Now, let us start the chapter. Water resources. Dear students, like land and air, water is also an important component of natural environment. Water is not only essential for drinking purposes, but it also provides shelter to many of the organisms. It is tasteless and colorless substance that covers about three-fourths of the Earth's surface. The Earth is therefore called the water planet or blue planet. Dear students, do you know that the Earth has both the fresh as well as saline water? About 97.3 of the Earth's water is saline, while only 2.7% is fresh. About 70% of the fresh water occurs as glaciers and ice sheets in the mountain regions, Greenland and Antarctica. Fresh water is also found in the rivers, streams, ponds and lakes. Melting snow is a source of fresh water. Most of the freshwater bodies are inaccessible. Only 1% of it is available and useful for human beings. The ocean contains saline water of the earth. Due to extreme salinity, it is not fit for human consumption. In this diagram, you can see distribution of water on the earth. Uses of water. Water is a vital renewable resource, natural resource of the earth's surface. It is necessary for all kinds of living organisms. Ocean provides shelter to a variety of living organisms. Different types of plants depends on water for their growth and food. They get water through rainfall and irrigation. Water is also used in industries for processing and cooling. It is used for cleaning in air conditioning, machines, etc. Water is used for generating hydroelectricity. People use water for transportation purposes. In the early times, water is the most significant mode of transportation. Water is used to meet our daily needs such as drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, etc. Water is also used for recreating such as swimming, fishing, boating and water surfing. Water scarcity. Dear students, in different parts of the world are facing water scarcity for the following reasons. Changing land use pattern and need for irrigation coupled by inefficient uses of the water. Pollution of water bodies as well as degradation of environment. Global warming and drying up many streams and rivers. The groundwater level has decreased in many parts of the world on account of drawing of more groundwater as compared to its replacement annually. Many countries of Africa, South and West Asia, Central America, South America and Australia are facing extreme shortage of fresh water supply. The country is situated in the area of slow rainfall and high evaporation are prone to drought condition. Such areas face great problem of water scarcity. Overexploitation, excessive use and unequal access to water among different areas are the main factors responsible for water scarcity. The water scarcity is causing ecological crisis in the world. To overcome such situation, human beings have to conserve and manage water resources properly. Conservation of water resources. The term conservation refers to the efficient utilization besides protection, resource improvement and preservation. Water conservation focuses on several issues like improvement of vegetation cover to improve underground water resources, rainwater harvesting, both for storage and saving wasteful surface runoff. Following steps can be taken to conserve the water resources. Grow different types of natural vegetation to slow down the surface runoff. In this way, the underground water storage can be improved. Rainwater harvesting technique can also be used to save surface runoff. Adequate amount of water should be used in the irrigation process. Canal linings should be used to control water seepage. In arid regions, sprinklers, drip, or trickles irrigation method should be used in agriculture activities like in Rajasthan area. Recycled water should be used as the coolant in the industries. At home, we should also check the wastage of water. Wastewater of kitchen and washing can be used for gardens and toilets. Thus, every member in the house need to use water economically. In this way, water resources can be conserved and managed effectively. Thanks for watching this video.